Learn English with cooking show conversation, simple and fun English dialogue. Hey Barbara, do you like cooking shows?
Yes, I love learning new recipes. How about you?
Me too. I enjoy watching them in my free time. Do you have a favorite cooking show?
Yes, I really like MasterChef. They have so many creative dishes. What about you?
I like The Great British Bake Off. Their desserts look amazing.
Oh, I love baking too. Have you ever tried baking a cake?
Yes, I made a chocolate cake last month. It was delicious.
Wow, that sounds great. I want to try baking a cake too. Was it difficult?
Not really. I followed a simple recipe from YouTube. Do you usually cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day. I like making healthy meals.
That's nice. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's easy and tasty. What about you?
I enjoy making grilled chicken. It's my favorite meal.
Sounds delicious. Do you follow recipes, or do you cook from memory?
I usually follow recipes, but sometimes I try new ideas.
That's great. Cooking is fun when you try new things.
Exactly. Do you like cooking with friends or alone?
I prefer cooking with friends. It's more fun. How about you?
I agree. Cooking together makes everything better.
Maybe we should cook something together one day.
That's a great idea. Let's plan a cooking night soon.
Yes. We can try a new recipe from a cooking show.
Let's watch some cooking videos and choose a dish.
Sounds good. I'll look for some easy recipes.
Great! I'm excited to cook with you, Barbara.
Me too, Richard. Cooking together will be so much fun.
Master present simple with easy questions and answers. Does Paul play football? Yes, Paul plays football. What time does Nancy wake up? Nancy wakes up at 9 a.m. Where does Nancy work? Nancy works at a hospital. Do they go to school? Yes, they go to school. Does it rain often here? Yes, it rains often here. What does Paul do on weekends? Paul goes hiking on weekends. Does Nancy have a car? Yes, Nancy has a car. Do you watch TV every day? No, I do not watch TV every day. Does Paul cook dinner? Yes, Paul cooks dinner. When do you study English? I study English every evening. Does Nancy play the piano? Yes, Nancy plays the piano. Where does Paul live? Paul lives in New York. Do you go to the gym? Yes, I go to the gym. Does Nancy visit her family often? Yes, Nancy visits her family often. What does Paul eat for breakfast? Paul eats cereal for breakfast. Do they speak English? Yes, they speak English. Does it get cold in winter? Yes, it gets cold in winter. When do you read books? I read books at night.
Dreams versus reality. 20 simple English conversations you need to know. What is your biggest dream? My biggest dream is to travel the world. Do you think dreams can come true? Yes, if you work hard, dreams can come true. What is the difference between dreams and reality? Dreams are what we imagine, reality is what actually happens. What is Douglas's dream job? His dream job is to be a pilot. Does Emma have a realistic goal? Yes, she wants to become a teacher. What do you usually dream about at night? I usually dream about fun adventures. Can reality sometimes be better than dreams? Yes, it can be even more exciting than we expect. Did Douglas ever achieve one of his dreams? Yes, he bought his own house last year. Why is it important to have dreams? Dreams motivate us to work towards something. What is Emma's reality right now? She is studying hard to get her degree. How do you feel when your dreams don't come true? I feel disappointed but try to stay positive. Is it okay to change your dreams? Yes, dreams can change as we grow. Do you prefer living in a dream world or reality? I prefer reality because it feels more rewarding. What does Douglas do when his reality is tough? He takes a break and rethinks his plans. Does Emma believe in chasing her dreams? Yes, she always tries her best to achieve her dreams. Are dreams important for a happy life? Yes, they give us something to look forward to. What happens if you only live in dreams and not in reality? You might miss real-life opportunities. Can your dreams affect your reality? Yes, they can inspire you to make changes in your life. What is the most common dream people have? Many people dream of being successful and happy. How does Douglas make his dreams a reality? He sets clear goals and works step by step.
Learn English easily, basic grammar and tenses with Dexter and Linda. Does Dexter live in London? Yes, Dexter lives in London. Does Linda teach English? Yes, Linda teaches English. Are they visiting London next week? No, they are not visiting London next week. Did Dexter go to the cinema yesterday? No, Dexter did not go to the cinema yesterday. Can Linda speak Turkish? Yes, Linda can speak Turkish. Is Dexter studying now? Yes, Dexter is studying now. Where does Linda work? Linda works in a school. How often does Dexter play football? Dexter plays football twice a week. Has Linda ever been to Australia? No, Linda has never been to Australia. Will Dexter travel to Spain this summer? Yes, Dexter will travel to Spain this summer. Does it snow in Canada in winter? Yes, it often snows in Canada in winter. What does Linda do? Linda is a teacher. What did Dexter eat for breakfast? Dexter ate cereal for breakfast. When does Linda wake up? Linda wakes up at 7 a.m. Why is Dexter happy? Dexter is happy because it's his birthday. Where did Linda go last weekend? Linda went to the beach last weekend. Can Dexter play the guitar? Yes, Dexter can play the guitar. Who is Linda's best friend? Emily is Linda's best friend. How long has Dexter lived in Canada? Dexter has lived in Canada for 5 years. What will Linda do tomorrow? Linda will go shopping tomorrow. Does Dexter live in Paris? Yes, Dexter lives in Paris. What does Linda do every day? Linda teaches English every day. Are they going to visit London next year? Yes, they plan to visit London next year. Did Dexter play football yesterday? No, Dexter didn't play football yesterday. Can Linda speak French? Yes, Linda can speak French. Why is Dexter studying German? Dexter is studying German for his trip to Germany. Where does Linda like to vacation? Linda likes to vacation in Italy. How often does Dexter go to the library? Dexter goes to the library once a week. Has Linda ever been to London? No, Linda has never been to London. Will Dexter buy a new car next month? Yes, Dexter will buy a new car next month. Does it snow a lot in Russia during winter? Yes, it snows a lot in Russia during winter. Who is Dexter's favorite author? Dexter's favorite author is Mark Twain. What time does Linda wake up during the weekend? Linda wakes up at 8 a.m. during the weekend. How many languages does Dexter speak? Dexter speaks 3 languages. Is Linda watching TV at the moment? No, Linda is cooking dinner at the moment. Did they enjoy their trip to Ireland? Yes, they enjoyed their trip to Ireland a lot. Where did Dexter go last summer? Dexter went to Italy last summer. Can Linda play the piano? Yes, Linda can play the piano. Why was Dexter late to class today? Dexter was late because of traffic. Who will Linda meet tomorrow? Linda will meet her sister tomorrow.